Good morning, student. Today, lesson number 7, the last topics, Wrigley and Jones test, senior citizen test. So, in the last topic in this chapter, test and measurement. Let's start. Number 4 test, Wrigley and Jones test. This test is back stretch test. Back stretch test, the related of the shoulder, hand, palm, fingers and flexibility of the upper body flexibility. This chapter, in this topic, back stretch test is related the photograph, the snap of this student, back stretch test, two hand, back side, and put your together's hand. So this this photograph is a back stretch test. Purpose. What is the purpose? Back stretch test purpose. These tests help to measure the upper body, shoulder like that, flexibility, which is essential for a person to perform various jobs such as combing hair, putting on overhand garment as combing hair, putting on overhead garment reaching for a sit, belt, etc. Equipments required: a ruler, a scale of the measurement. This stretch the hands. Procedures. What is the processing? This test is performed in a standing position. Keep on hand behind the head and lower it down. Gradually over the shoulder and reach as far as possible at the middle of your back. Your palm should touch your body and the fingers should be downward. Then carry your other arm behind your back with the palm facing outward and finger facing upward, and try to reach up as far as possible. Okay? Possible in order to touch or overlap the middle finger of the other hand. Finger should be aligned. Measure the distance between the tips of the fingers. If the fingertips touch, then the score is 0. If they do not touch, measure the distance between the fingers tips. Negative score. If they overlap measures, the distance is the positive score. Let the participant practice twice and then two trials be conducted. स्कोरिंग कैसे स्कोरिंग करेंगे बैक स्क्रैच टेस्ट की? रिकॉर्ड द बेस्ट स्कोर आउट ऑफ द टू ट्रायल टू द नियरेस्ट सेंटीमीटर ऑफ 1.5 inches. The scoring. Related the scoring, the one chart under the backstage test, the page number 171. This chart related to men and women's age below average, average, above average. So read now this chart and put the calculations in this chart and take the fitness of the backstage flexibility. Next test. Test number 5, Rickley and John test. In senior citizen, 8 foot up and go test. 8 foot up and go test. These tests conducted to measure coordination and agility in aged people's purpose. These tests help to evaluate speed, agility and balance of the person while moving. There are important factors in performing job which the old man, senior citizen man, walk to 8 feet up and go test. This photograph related this test, the page number 172, eat 8 foot up and go test. The photograph. कैसे हम इसको करते हैं? Job which required quick measuring, such as getting off a bus in time. To answer the phone, etc. Equipment required. What is the requirement in this test? A chair with straight back about 44 centimeters and stopwatch, cone, marker cone, measuring tape and an area without any hindrance. Processing. This test processing: keep a chair next to the wall and place the cone marker 8 feet away in front of the chair. The participant is initially completely seated on chair, hand resting on the knee and feet flat on the ground. On the command, go, stopwatch is switched and the participant stand and walk. No running at all. As quickly as possible towards the cone. Turns around and return to the chair to sit down. Time is noted as he sit down on the chair. 8-foot step test. 2 trial are given per participant. Scoring. The best trial is recorded to the nearest 1 in 10 second. Okay. This table show the recommended norms or ranges in second for the test for different age group. This chart, the page number 172, related to the 8-foot up and go test, men and women's calculation in this chart. So take the score and put in this chart and take the fitness with the senior citizen man. Test number 6 and related to senior citizen test. The test name is 6-minute walk test. The 6-minute walk test is designed to test the functional fitness of senior citizen. Purpose. This test help to measure the aerobic fitness or aerobic endurance of a person, which is an essential compound for walking distance, stair climbing, shopping, sightseeing, etc. Equipment required: a measuring tape, a stopwatch, good plane surface. Before the describe processing the test, the plane surface, the picture 6 walk test, (40 yards, 45 yards, 5 yards length, breadth the ground, 50 yards, 5 yard, 10 yard, 15 yard, 20 yard and 5 yard. So let's start the six-minute walk test. So senior citizen man stand 50 yard and start with go and walk to the surface on the ground and 6-minute walk for check the fitness according this test. The walk processing क्या है इसकी? The walking distance or course is marked 45.72 meter या or 50 yards. 50 yards in a rectangle area, 20 into 5 yard of 5 yards the breadth of the surface, and with the cone placed at regularly intervals to indicate the distance covered by the marker cone. Effort are made to walk maximum distance as quickly as possible in 6 minutes. A practice trial is given to the participant. Is may stop any time if is the desired so. Okay. The scoring is the total distance covered in 6 minutes is the recorded to the nearest meters. Recorded range area is 6 minute walk. After then walk, the recommended table men and women's, and age is first age, below age, average, above average. For men, norms: age 60 to 64, number 2 65 to 69 age, 70 and 74, age 80 84, 90 and 94. The age limit, the page number 173. For the fitness, this age group 60 to 95 94, the age group, this test is for the man, old man, senior citizen man. The age group is a 62, 65 and 94. Sorry, 62, 94 age group, between the age group, and test, this test for this level. Okay, and below average 60 and 64 सीनियर सिटीजन व्यक्ति अगर 610 से 735 के बीच में, 610 to 735 के बीच में अगर आता है स्कोरिंग ओल्ड मैन का 64 के लेवल के बराबर, तो अबव एवरेज 735, दिस इज मार्किंग द रेंज, एंड 75-79 का तो जो व्यक्ति है, जो एज ग्रुप है, 470 से 640 के बीच में आता है, तो एज एवरेज इज 640. दिस आर टेबल्स. एंड नेक्स्ट फीमेल, फॉर द फीमेल एज ग्रुप इज द 60, 64, 65, 69, 70 से 74, 75 to 79, 80 to 84, 85 to 89, 90 to 94. This is the women age group for this test. And average is the 60 to 64 is the 660, 65 to 69 635, 70 to 74 is 615, 75 to 79 585, 80 to 84 540, 85 to 89 510, 90 to 94 440. Okay, so 3 topics are completed, 6 topics are completed in the Wrigley and John test. The last topic is the test and measurement, the lesson number 7. My side, this chapter are completed. Lesson number 7, very important this chapter for the examinations, practical, unit test, prelim test and viva, because in this chapter many type of the tests is in this test. For the physical educations, first the computations of the fat percentage is very important. Body mass index, formulas and related to the fat percentage. And once again, let's see Slaughter-Lohmann children's skin fold formula is very important for girls and boys, and learn about this formula and very important for the exam. And tricep and the calf skin fold formulas like that, the body fat percentage 0.735 into sum of the skin fold plus 1.0. This is the formula for the men and 6 to 70-year-old. And for females 6 to 70-year-old, tricep and calf skin fold formula, the body fat percentage 0.610 into sum of the skin fold plus 5.0. So computation of the fat percentage is very important. Some example will come related to the fat formulas like that. Suppose the measurement of the tricep and calf muscles of the male of 16 years are for 12 mm and 9 mm. This is an example. The fat percentage communications respectively calculate this body fat percentage by using Slaughter-Lohmann children's skin fold formula. And solve it this example, the page number 156. It's very important, this type of the questions for the men and women. And some questions are come. It is the measurement of the tricep and calf muscle of the females. First example for male, and second example is a female of 17 years are 13 mm and 10 mm respectively. Calculate her body fat percentage by using Slaughter-Lohmann children's skin fold formulas. So solve it. First, put the formula, the fat percentage 0.610 into sum of skin fold plus 5.0. The sum of skin fold, tricep plus calf muscles. The tricep is 13, calf muscle is the 10, equal to 23 millimeters. So now body percentage is, with the formula for female 6 to 70-year-old, 0.610 into 23 plus 5.0, and calculate is the 0.610 into 23, 14.03, and plus 5.0. Percentage is the solve this question in the percentage. 14.03 plus 5.0 is 19.03 percentage. The two example is very important for the male and females. And in this topic, the test definitions, what is a test and what is a measurement is very important. For the measurement, for the test, what is the test and what do you understand this test? The tests are used to collect information or data about a specific skills, strength, endurance, knowledge, behavior, attitude, etc. In fact, tests refer to any specific instrument, procedure to or the technique used by the administrator to elect result from the person who take the test. There are various types of the test, such as the Johnson basketball test, sit and wrist test, senior citizen test, Harvard test, rope post test, Harvard test. Harvard is a youth fitness test. Chorus effort test is very important. And the measurement, what do you understand the measurement? After then the test, The measurement refer to the procedure of the administrating to a test to obtain a quantitative data. It can also set that the measurement aid to evaluations process in which various tools and techniques are used in the collections of data. Through test and the measurement, the effect of teaching or catching can be determined, the process can be known, and the further planning can be made. So the very important the test and measurement about this chapter is this chapter. So next. This type question is very important. The meaning of the muscular strength. What is the muscular strength? What about the muscular strength? Are you understand the muscular strength? Explain the muscular strength. There's many type of question are come in these examinations, board examinations and CBSE board. So what is the muscular strength? So muscular strength is one of the important component of the physical fitness. Muscular strength is the extent of force the muscles or a group of muscles can resist against the resistance for the short duration, as in the anaerobic activities. Muscular strength is essential for performing daily routine work easily and smoothly, such as the lifting weight, climbing stair, and etc. It is also essential for the managing good posture, avoiding injury, and the remaining independence, especially in the old. Can be measured with the help of Coros-Wepper test. तो Coros-Wepper test के द्वारा से हम लोग जो हैं मस्कुलर स्ट्रेंथ को मेजर कर सकते हैं कि स्टूडेंट की मस्कुलर स्ट्रेंथ कितनी है, बेस्ट है, एवरेज है, पुअर है, गुड है, तो उसको हम निकाल सकते हैं Coros-Wepper टेस्ट के माध्यम से. मस्कुलर स्ट्रेंथ, Coros-Wepper टेस्ट, देयर आर द 6 type of test. There are the 6 of tests. Learn about, read about in this book. The page number 156 is very important. The Coros-Wepper test and muscular strength test. Coros-Wepper test. There are the 6 type of tests. Test number 1, test number 2, test number 3, test number 4, test number 5, and test number 6. After the muscular strength test, after Coros-Wepper test, the next test is very important for the exam. वैसे तो सभी कुछ एग्जाम के लिए important है, but this chapter is very important test and measurement for the board examinations. Viva, practical, board exam, unit test. अधिक से अधिक क्वेश्चन जो है इस चैप्टर से मैं भी लूंगा और सीबीएसई बोर्ड भी यहां से जो है जरूर क्वेश्चन उठाता है. किस तरह से क्वेश्चन आते हैं मैं आपको दोबारा से डिस्क्राइब करता हूं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द मोटर फिटनेस टेस्ट. व्हाट इज द मोटर फिटनेस टेस्ट? मोटर फिटनेस टेस्ट रिलेटेड टू द होल बॉडी ऑफ द फिजिकल स्टूडेंट एंड एथलीट्स. तो रिलेटेड द टेस्ट, मीनिंग ऑफ द मोटर फिटनेस टेस्ट, क्या मतलब है उसका, एक बार फिर हम रिवाइज करते हैं उसको. Motor fitness refer to the capability of an athlete to take part effectively in his her particular sports. It can also be said that the motor fitness is the person ability to the physical activities. ये हमारा जो है डेफिनेशन कहिए, मीनिंग कहिए, या फिर हम इसको अंडरस्टूड कर सकते हैं कि क्या हम मोटर फिटनेस टेस्ट को बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, related this test, Harvard fitness test. What is the Harvard fitness test? Harvard fitness test, the Harvard first, the spelling is the Harvard, AHPER and D. So related, the full form is American Alliance for Health, Physical Education, Recreation and the Dance. It is one of the oldest person organization in the USA. Its motor fitness tests have been to the major instrument for the measuring motor fitness in the American school children about the 50 year before. 6, 7 tests related this test: the pull-ups for boys, flexed arm, girls, flexed leg sit-ups, shuttle run, standing long jump, 50-yard dash, 600-yard run walk, softball throw for the distance. These tests said the pace battery for the physical athletes, and the six tests in this half a fitness test. Next test, the general motor fitness है Barrow 3-item general motor fitness ability. This test deleted in this year 2020 and 21. This test is not come in our syllabus in physical education. Barrow 3-item जनरल मोटर एबिलिटी, इसको हम नहीं पढ़ेंगे इस साल। ये डिलीट कर रखा है सीबीएसई बोर्ड के जो करिकुलम में आया था बोरो फिटनेस, बोरो 3-item टेस्ट, और ये मैंने पढ़ाया भी नहीं है आपको, और ये नहीं आएगा, पर बुक में आपके है इन सरस्वती बुक, द हेल्थ एंड फिजिकल एजुकेशन publication is a Saraswati. Next test is a cardiovascular test. What is a cardiovascular test? And related some tests. 2 tests are Harvard and Rockport test. It's very important. And then last test is the cardiovascular test के बाद जो है जो last test होगा हमारा उसका है Rickley and John Senior Disease Radiant test, जो मैं 3 days से पढ़ा रहा हूँ आपको. And what is the Rickley and John test, Radiant test क्या है, किसने बनाया, कब बनाया, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. कई बार जो है क्वेश्चन आर पुट अप इन दिस बाय द practical teachers and in the viva, in the board exam, and 6 tests are come in this test. The chair and test test, chair stand test, number 2 arm curl test, number 3 chair sit and wrist test, number 4 back and sketch test, number 5 8 foot up and go test, and number last 6-minute walk test. Today my topic is 3 is a back and sketch test, 8 foot up and go test, and the 6-minute walk test, and some table. ये जो इससे रिलेटेड जो टेबल है जिसमें हम देखकर हम फिटनेस को जान सकते हैं वो इन टेस्ट्स के नीचे दिखाई गई है. आप चैप्टर को पढ़ेंगे. मैंने पूरी कोशिश करी है, 100% मैंने आपको जो है बुक से बिल्कुल मिलता जुलता आपको पढ़ाने की कोशिश करी है. आपके समझ में आना चाहिए. जो टेस्ट एंड मेजरमेंट है मैंने उसको खोल कर आपके सामने रखा है. एक एक चीज मैंने आपको बताई है. मैं अगर आपको एक एक पेज मैंने बताया है कि कौन से पेज पर कौन सा टेबल है, किस प्रकार से पिक्चर है, तो मेरी तरफ से तो ये चैप्टर जो है कंप्लीट है. और अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है तो आप मुझे जो है कॉल कर सकते हैं या मुझसे व्हाट्सएप पे पूछ सकते हैं. आप जान सकते हैं, और जब स्कूल खुलेंगे हम उसको जो है चैप्टर नंबर 7 को एक बार अच्छी तरह से डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. और इनसे रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चन है वो मैंने आपको जो है आपके असाइनमेंट में दिए हैं. आप उन क्वेश्चन को कर लेंगे, आपके लिए बहुत है वो. लेकिन फिर भी अगर आप क्वेश्चन देखना चाहते हैं तो 30 से 50 क्वेश्चन जो हैं इस चैप्टर के एंड में एक्सरसाइज में दे रखे हैं. आप इनको पढ़ें, समझें, मैंने जो टॉपिक पढ़ाया है उसको समझें, बुक में खुद पढ़ने की कोशिश करें. आपको जरूरत ही नहीं है दोबारा से उसको पढ़ने की. एक बार आप अच्छे से पढ़ लेंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. So thank you very much, students. Today my topic is completed, and next time I will take the class in the revision class 1 and 2 chapters and 2 7 chapters. So thank you very much. God bless you. Good day.